entirely funded by the patrons that come in. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Trey from Midwest Day Trips, and today we have part 2 of a video we shot in Camp Verde, Arizona at a place called Out of Africa Safari Park. We shot a lot of stuff that day, so here we go with the conclusion to that day. Enjoy.
Isn't he cute? He's giving himself a bath.
It's really cool in there, and I mean that in the literal sense of the word. It's probably a good 15-20 degrees cooler inside. By the way, this video is also part of a series that we did called Midwest Day Trips Goes West, where we go to California. It's day 4 to be precise. I'll leave a link in the description down below for that. I will not be doing the zip line today. Maybe if I had a GoPro I could attach to my head. Alas, it wasn't meant to be. So yeah, you can get some good steps in at this place, get some good sunshine, but you don't have to walk. There is the shuttle that has 4 different drop-off points, and I think he said the whole trail is about a mile or a little over a mile. So not terrible, but when you're in the hot sun, it can feel a lot longer than that. This place is an independent business and is entirely funded by the patrons that come in. So by coming here, you are helping to feed the animals and helping with their conservation practice. Anyway, that's gonna about do it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check back all the time for new content. Take care, everyone.